Hello, techie people. This is Brian with WTI, and I want to talk about this UKCOCO USB hub. I found it when I was looking for something that can help me connect more than 5 devices at the same time on my computer, and I found it. One thing I like about this one is that it doesn't have any light. You know that some devices like this like blink a blue light or red or yellow. I don't like it. The reason I don't like it is because I like to have my room dark. And when I do, I want as less peripherals active or shining at the same time. You can connect as many things as you like. And if you want to enhance your internet speed, you can connect the Ethernet cable as well. What else to say about it? Is doing its job. I approve it, and that's my point of view.